Okay guys, Jay here. We're going to talk about price analysis, guys, okay? Don't forget to smash the like button and don't forget to follow us on Twitter, hit us up on YouTube, across the board. Let's go. Telegraph, guys, I'm using them for information, and you can get your news updates for all the tokens and big articles and ads, and I like them as far as putting information out. But let's go ahead and read some of the price analysis that we have happening for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Cardano, XRP, Luna, Dot, Avalanche, and Doge. Right now, bulls are buying each dip and bears are selling at the top of the rally. Suggestions that BTC and altcoins remain bounced for some time. So we're going to talk about first Bitcoin. Bitcoin, the most major altcoins are facing and selling at levels, okay, and buying dips. Now it says Fidelity Digital Assessment said that annual report massive Bitcoin accumulation from miners, okay. That is a big article. And this is going to talk about the massive accumulations and the growth of the mining for the Bitcoin. Okay, so we want to see on Bitcoin a rally up to 75K. Now, that as far as that happening, that could be a long time coming. We could have a whole bunch of different market sentiment, but you guys see that right now we're on our way to 52K. So that's where we're looking for bullish, okay? And Bitcoin US Tether, okay? Both moving averages are sloping down and the relative strength index is in negative territory, indicating the path of least resistance is to the downside. So right now, as far as Bitcoin, pumping, we are fighting some of these wicks, in these different areas, the 39,000. So right there, we have major support. So that's why it's a stronger level at that level. When the market makers move the price up, we'll be able to have a higher low. Ethereum, ETH rebound off the support line of this descending channel on January 10th. Could not even reach the 20-day EMA. So on Ethereum, the 20-day EMA, which is 34.85, suggests demand dries up at higher levels. So people weren't at the current time buying Ethereum at a higher level. There's a lot of people are trying to buy it cheaper, So let's see. On the contrary, if the price turns up from the current level, the bulls will make one more attempt to push the pair above the 20. If they succeed, the pair could rise to the resistance level, okay, of the 50-day simple moving average of 38.93, so 3.9K, all right? Binance, here we go. Majority of the projects that I work on through Binance token. So let me pull up this first. Let me go ahead and go over to here and let's do our BNB. BNB at 503. I love it. You can see on the daily, I'm shooting for my good 550 ranges, right here when we were talking about BNB, right before this vector candle came in. And we see on the daily, we can go over to the 4-hour on BNB. You see how we're above the Ikamoki cloud? Okay? So you can see how that is affecting us with as far as the moving averages. So on Binance Coin, we're at the 200. We're sitting there. Very pretty. Happy days. Very nice. Sitting right here. Happy days. Rejection back into the Ikamoki cloud, play around in here, and then break to the upside. Happy days. So guys, BNB is facing strong resistance at the 20 at 487. So we're just at broke at 503. That's really nice. Okay. Solano reached 157 on the 13th, but bulls could not clear this overhead hurdle. Let's go ahead and see what they're talking about in the Solana. Now, let me just go ahead and scroll down here to find my soul. Okay, look at that 4 hour. Let's go to the daily because we're talking about majority long-term price here. Price action. Okay, so the price action on the daily. We have some nice price action inside here in Ikamoki Cloud. It looks like we broke out here. So we are making our way back up. I'm looking for the levels of 162 up to here at 190. And then a breakout to the upside as long as the market stays strong. All right, Solano. Cardano. I hold a little tiny bit of Cardano, but you know, we haven't done a lot of Cardano on this channel. Right now, we are in this downward trend, so we need to break above the 160 and come out and above on Cardano. XRP gang in the house. XRP. Turned down from the 20-day at 80 cents, okay? Let's go ahead and go over to our XRP here. And let's see what they're talking about on a daily time frame. Love this, love this, love this. Okay, so you can see here that, let me just move my charting over here. Okay, so we're on our daily. Let's get the moving averages in there, crunch them up, and let's talk some numbers. So we were here above the cloud. We came in. Looks like we broke it. We broke below this 200 EMA. Okay, so we broke below that. So what's going to happen next is we have this moving average and we have this 50-day moving average right there, okay? So right now we're sitting at 78 cents, okay? I'm expecting this week to shoot up back into the 90 cents this week or next week, and then we face some resistance. So what you're going to see, in my own opinion, could be something like this if the market stays strong. Now, XRP can continue to trade sideways if the market sentiment is light. And then also, if Bitcoin breaks to the downside, we will see a retest of this 200 moving average. Okay, guys? Luna, we will get more into Luna and DOT. All right, guys, guess what? It is time for the J train. Let's go ahead and hit up my profile. Go ahead and go to one of our latest tweets and just go ahead and hit a retweet for us. We love to sit here and rock out with you guys. Another excellent day here at Jay's Strategy. Don't forget to smash that like button. Follow us. We'll bring you all the latest and the greatest. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.